When you leave the room, what do rabbits really get up to? Let's uncover the secret life of these curious little creatures. Rabbits are most active when they think no one's watching. They explore, dig, and sometimes even rearrange their space like tiny interior designers. They perform zoomies, running and hopping in excitement, or binkies, those joyful jumps that show pure happiness. But sometimes your rabbit's secret life involves a little mischief, chewing on wires, carpets, or even plotting their next great escape. Behind the scenes, rabbits groom themselves, bond with toys, and even nap in funny positions. They live a life full of quiet routines and hidden emotions. So next time you step away, remember, your rabbit has a secret world of joy, curiosity, and play. And maybe, just maybe, they're watching you too. A big thank you to all our amazing subscribers, both our longtime friends and our brand new family members. Your support means the world to us, and it's because of you that we get to share the wonderful stories of rabbits every day. We appreciate every like, every comment, and every share. Stay with us for more adorable bunny adventures, because together, we're building a community that truly cares. From our hearts and our rabbits, thank you for being part of this journey.